Hello and welcome to a bloody massacre video. Today I'm going to play the Texas Chainsaw Massacre for the first time, and I have no idea what any of that is. I don't know if it's an online game or a story game. I'm just going to go with the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, a game based on true events. Ooh, customization, progression tutorial. Let's go for the tutorials.
You're part of the family now. It's up to you to secure the property.
Oh, it's a video. I thought it was playable. Like a playable. Play. Is it online? Quick match, family victims. Quit. Quick match, family. Play as family.
You're part.
Skip. Skip. Oh, I'm actually Leatherface. I want to be Leatherface. I am Leatherface. I'm ready.
Discovered with the throat slit and cut from the.
I'm gonna break that.
Yeah, drink some whiskey.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna hang you now.
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre begins! Now! How do I... Oh, I have to wake him up first. Okay. Open. Wait, I can destroy it? Wait, I want to destroy the... door. Grandpa! Stop chainsaw. Grandpa! Grandpa! Ooh.
Come on now, get your kicks.
I freaking love these sounds. I heard someone.
It's
Boom
boom time.
time? Yay. I freaking love the sounds Leatherface makes. It's like these girls are like. Oh. Don't be so frustrated, Leatherface. Hmm. I didn't even. Hungry again. Yeah! I can't find anyone! I don't get the game. Seriously, can someone explain me how the game works? Because I literally cannot find any victims. I didn't kill anyone here. No, I saw someone over there. Alright, I guess I'll just leave it there. If you want to see another video on the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, tell me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!